is Kira Lagosio, and I'm on Team 9, otherwise known as the Control-Alt Delinquents, and the product we created is the Automatic Snack Dispenser, which is pretty much as its name spells out. It's a machine that will dispense a snack of reasonable portion size into a bowl for the students to eat, and it's automatic. So right here we created a little concept generation table as well as some ideas that we might use to create our design. So in doing this, we created a concept combination table which has different sub-functions into what we would like the machine to have. So to begin, we have sub-function 1, which is a trigger, otherwise known as what will the students do that will cause the machine to become automatic, that will cause it to dispense out the snack. So our first option is a twist knob, and this can be seen in this option here, Nibbly. And this is pretty much just a knob that you twist and it will activate the snack to flow out. Button is the next option, and this can be seen in NeuroSnack or Munchinator, and the student will press a button, will allow the snack to fall out. Next is a motion sensor. This one's also pretty self-explanatory. A student will walk up to the machine, wave their hand in front of it, or cause any sort of motion over the motion sensor, and the snack will pour out into a bowl. And the final option is the lever, which can be seen here in Gumball Galaxy. A student will pull down the lever and will release the snack. The next sub-function we decided to use was the dispenser, and this pretty much is how the snack will be dispensed into a bowl from where it is being held. So our first option was a slider, which can be seen in here in Motion Munchie as well as Sir Snack-a-Lot. And it will pretty much just slide to open up to allow the snack to pour out, and then close it once the snack portion size is filled out. The next option is a hatch, which will be closed. Once the student activates the trigger, it will open and snack will pour out. And the final option is the conclave. And this one is pretty much a ball that will have a snack filled with a portion size and will rotate once the student activates the trigger. The last subsection we decided to focus on was the selector, and this is pretty much how the student picks which snack they would like to eat. So our first option was to rotate the exterior of it, and this can be seen here in Twistle Treat. You rotate the exterior and then snack will pour out from there. Button is the next option, and this one is pretty much just a student will select the button of which snack they would like to consume. The next one is a handle or a twister knob, and the student will physically switch which snack they would like to poo, and it will pour out. And the last option was a slider, and this can be seen here in the Munchinator, and it will slide to allow which snack to fall out. It'll slide to allow which snack the student will select. And from these designs, we decided to pick 2 or 3 that were possible, most feasible for us to do, and we chose here in Nibbly. You can see the blue lines. So we have the twister knob, the conclave, and the handle and twist. So in Nibbly, we have a knob that the student will use to trigger the machine, and then the conclave will pour this machine out, and the handle and twist bar will be how they select which snack. And the red lines here are from the Munchinator, which is right up here. The student will select it using a slider, they will press a button to trigger the machine, and then a hatch will allow the snack to pour out. Yeah.